Hi everyone, in this video series we will cover the entire Solodit vulnerability checklist and provide real-world examples for each so you can understand more easily. So let's check out the second access control vulnerability. Are there functions lacking proper access controls? Access controls determine who can use certain functions of a contract. If these are missing or improperly implemented, it can expose the contract to unauthorized changes or withdrawals. So we will focus in these two terms and I will give an example for each. To find this kind of box in a contest, first we have to make a role list and then we should know all roles permissions. After that we can determine if there is a bug or if it is an intended thing. Let's begin with first example. Here in a Solodit, I found this report. Missing access modifier for this function may lead to multiple issues. There is explanation here. The comment on line 217 in this contract says that a message that sender must be a pool manager in order to be able to call this function. I opened that here. You can find this link in code snippet part. Uh, Here it says message that sender must be a pool manager to close the pool. But when we check this, we can see it's an external function and everybody can call this function. But this is a high vulnerability, of course, as you can see here, but it's a simple one. We can only add this only pool manager modifier here, and we can fix this. And let's check out the second vulnerability. It is a bot finding in Codarina, but the perfect example for this. Uh, Here in the contract, there is two modifiers, and its implementations are wrong. As you can see here, message that sender is equal to owner, but there is no requirement or if statement for that. When the function is read that, it's just continue to execute the transaction. There should be a requirement like that, or there should be a if statement, and if message that sender not equal to owner, then it should revert. So yeah, it's basic, but it's high severity as you can see here. And that's it. Thanks for watching.